Whew. It is only 102 inside the trailer, but the back's wide open, so I get it. But it's hotter than blazes out here. But now we're going to start on the interior. I just got all the insulation put in. I can say it's not my best work, but it will work. So it's better than bare steel, right? So that's just tape you see to hold them on, and there's construction adhesive on the back side. So the panels will go over this, and I got the wood in good spots. I still have to put something across the back here because there's going to be shelves along the back. So I'll do that in the next couple of days. And I got the deck painted kind of a grayish tan color, just to, in case it gets wet or something along those lines. So at least it's sealed, so that'll be good. You spill your water, at night when you're trying to reach for it and it tips over. Anything like that. So, okay, here is afternoon one of the interior of this bad boy. All right, more to come. I'll probably film the installation of the panels so you guys can see it. Okay, until later. Okay, good morning, guys. I got one wall up. Then I remembered I need to film. So that left side is done. Well, at least the board's up, but it's still got to be trimmed out. But now we're working on the right side. Okay, so now it's done. Definitely looks a lot better. Those windows just pop. So you can see this seam here. So this wood stuff's gonna go on it. All the way around. So it'll be at the same height, which is good. These corners, I'm gonna go to Home Depot now and see if they have like a piece of plastic or something. Same with up there and this corner here. So I gotta trim those up. But I don't know what that would be. So I gotta go see. I'm sure they make something for that. So yeah, that's the next step. And then paint. And then that'll be done. But I think it looks pretty good because you got the same ceiling stuff here down the center. It's kind of, I don't know, a little touch. There's the little room. Well, the floor matches the ceiling in the middle anyway, so Yeah, it looks pretty good. We'll paint it. It's going to have that back wall is going to be a contrasting color, like a darker color, so it pops with like a beige or some kind of lighter color on the ceiling and the sides. So it'll look pretty good. So hopefully we'll be painting tomorrow. But yeah, it's coming together, guys. All right, thanks. Okay, guys, a little bit of work has been done. I wanted to show you guys. So got everything painted. So this is, it's not a white, it's like a really light green. I did that on the walls and the ceiling, and then we did that accent darker greenish color, greenish gray color in the back, and the trim on the side. So everything's trimmed out now. I think it turned out pretty well. And then all built the shelf up here. Not sure if we're going to paint that or not, so we're going to shelve that for the moment. It's removable, so it's screwed into the stud, so I can just take it down, we can paint it, put it back up. Not a big deal. Got these lights installed, the ones that I showed you guys before. Looks like different colors here. Oops. White, warm white. And I don't know what color that is, but, and they're dimmable as well. And then you have the spotlight, several different colors. So, and the little shelf, put your phone. So you got the 110 charge here, and then the USB-A and USB-C ports there. So got those on both sides. They run down. I'm going to get the wire cover stuff that goes on the wall to run all the way down. I put the boxes there because the bed frame's going to be over this, so that will be okay. And then just an extension cord, which in turn plugs in temporarily right there where the fridge goes, but when the slide is out, there'll be an outlet here in the corner of the trailer that it'll plug into. So, alright, just want to give you guys an update. The inside is pretty much done. Now we're going to put in the bed frame. So, I'll film that so you can see that. So, kind of hard to see, but I just realized this bed frame will not stand alone by itself without the headboard and footboard. So, I have to figure that piece out. Now there's the bed frame. I got to figure out how to secure it. I'm thinking about some maybe blocks underneath each leg with a hole drilled in it that the feet can sit into so it doesn't slide around. It's about the only thing I can think of at the moment, but I'll give it some thought and figure it out. But that's, and then the back has no feet in the rear corners, so I need to figure out some kind of support on those. So looks like about 3 or 4 inches on either side of the bed, but I don't think that's enough to get a leg down through. So, all right, I will continue. Okay, just installed the curtain track. I want to show you this. It's a flex curtain off of Amazon. If you type in flexible curtain rod, they're actually designed for ceilings, but I found a wall-mounted one. And all it is just this, it's a plastic coated piece of aluminum track. So the rollers just slide on it like this. And then here's the little clip for the, sorry about the lighting, clip for the, that'll hook on. We're gonna put the blackout shades on here. And I'll just roll on this track, and it comes with these little wall mount clips. I didn't have any black screws, which kind of sucks, but whatever. It just clips onto the track, just like so. But yeah, you can see it better there. Yeah, it's just a flexible track. I got about 4 feet left. I overbought on purpose because I didn't want to have it too short. So it's got a nice, it allows you to do this bend in the corner here. So yeah, turned out pretty good. So we just got to make the curtains, I think, because I didn't see anything on Amazon that's going to work. We have to go to Joann Fabrics or something and make the curtains. But yeah. And then I figured out what I'm going to do here. Let me get out of here so I can show you guys. Oh. The frame's too big to pull out of there so I can work in there. So I just took the slats out. They're removable. I'm going to build a 2x4 frame on the back that this is going to sit on with legs, because eventually there's going to be a drawer here and a drawer here that slide out for storage. So that'll be just part of the framing for it. It'll be the end framing for it. So and that'll help hold it, and then probably put a couple of blocks up here for these front legs to sit in. That'll keep the frame from moving around while we're driving down the road. Okay, cool. More to come. Thanks, guys.